I think one of our problems with eating in this country is we've lost control of our diet and the way we eat. And we've outsourced what is one of the most critical things you can do for your health and your family's health to large corporations. And they simply don't do it as well as human beings do it. They tend to cook with far too much salt, fat, and sugar. They tend to prepare food that's meant to be eaten months in the future. And they tend to use a lot of chemistry to make the food last that long. So taking back control of your diet is the first step in improving your health. And that means eating real food and as often as possible cooking it yourself. And that's an enormous step in the right direction. No matter what you eat, I mean, without counting calories or looking at ingredient labels, if you're simply eating real food, unprocessed food that you prepare yourself, you'll be eating very well without even giving it a further thought.